my name is Munim. I'm from Creative Computing Year 1 Group 2, and today I'll be explaining the programming skill portfolio of 10 exercises. We'll start from exercise number 1. We'll run the code. Terminal coding is cool. So here this exercise demonstrates how to use string variables and concatenations. Then word 1, word 2, word 3, word 1 coding, word 2 is word 3 cool, and we'll combine all three words. This will print the coding is cool. So we'll go for the exercise number 2, which is simple sum. We'll run the code, and the answer is Z. So here the value for y is 8, x is 10, and we have to come for the answer Z. We have to add both the variables and we have to print it, and that will get us the result 18. So we'll go for the exercise number 3, biography. We'll run the code. Yeah, showing Muhammad Munim, name Muhammad Munim, hometown Rawalpindi, and age 18. So this is okay. In this exercise you'll need to create a program that stores and print your name, hometown, age to the console using a Python dictionary. So first we'll enter our name, then hometown, then age, then print our name, hometown, and age. This is prompt the user for their full name, first and last prompt. Then we'll enter our hometown, then we'll loop to ensure our age is correct, and after that ask the input. Then we have to attempt to convert the input to an integer, and then we have to check. Then it will check it. If it is negative, then it will exit the loop if the answer is valid, and after that it will hand the case where input is invalid, not an integer or negative. Then it will store the information in a dictionary. Then it will return to the biography dictionary. After that it will print the values on separate line using a single print statement. Then it will get the user's biography, print the user's biography, and enter the code. Next, exercise 4, we'll go for primitive quiz. So first we'll run it, and it's showing the capital for Afghanistan is Kabul. So this is it saved the question text in the variable called question. It learns from the user the question is by the using present question, and it takes a check from the format of an array and compares the user answer with Kabul and Kabul from capital Q and small q. If the answer matches, it will show correct, and perform the following. Answer does not match, it will just give it incorrect. So next we'll go for exercise number 5, which is days of the month. We'll run the code. So now we'll enter any month like 2 and the year 2007, and there are 28 days in the month of 2 of the 2007. So here we have to enter the months. First we have entered the months, then we have to define the dictionary with the number of the days of each month, which are given over here. Then function to check if a year is leap year, and then ask the user for the month number, check if, and then it will check if the month number is valid. After that it will adjust for the February in leap year, then it will automatically output the number of the days and print if the number month is invalid or it's valid. It will give us the code. So next we'll go for exercise number 6. We'll run it first. Okay, so here we have to enter the password. If I enter a wrong password, it will show wrong password, access denied. If I enter the correct password, it will show the correct password, access granted. So here we have to make a running code for the password. First we have to enter the password input, then we have to enter, it will enter the password, then it will print the correct password. After that define the correct password, then it will start an endless loop to get the password from the user. If it's incorrect, it will convert it. If the user keeps doing it incorrect, it will give the user endless loop to so they can get their answer correct. Then it will ask the user to type the password, verify and enter the password matches the correct code. It will verify the password. Then if the password is incorrect, it will stop. It will make them step out of the loop. After that, define the correct password. Then we have to set a maximum number of attempts. After that, analyze the attempt counter. After that, it will use a while loop to repeatedly ask for the password. Then it will continue a loop for the user to ask for the password. Then the prompt, the user will enter the password, then it will check if the password is correct or no. Then it will exit the loop. If the password is correct, then increment the accepts counter. After that, it will print the password. If it's incorrect or correct, then the password is ready. Next we'll go for the exercise number 7, sum counting. First we'll run the code. Summary: 21 iteration from 100 to 196. So here we have to use a newly acquired knowledge of the loop to complete the following task. We have to print the values to the console. In each case, we have to write the loop that counts up from 0 to 50 in increments of 1. So here we have started the code. We def 50, we have to enter the range and for the second one we have to enter another range. Third one we have to enter 2 ranges, and then we'll start the code. We have to define the function's name 2, then iterate through the range from 50 to 10 exclusive, decrementing by 2, and print each value, and it prints each value in the range. Call the do function to execute its code. Then define the function name hundu. Iterate through the range from 100 to 205 exclusive, incrementing by 5. Call the hundu function to execute its code. Function to perform a continuing loop with user specified parameters. This is the code for it. And then we'll go for the main function to define advanced requirements and run loops. Then we'll do the counting from 0 to 50 in increments of 1. Then we'll do the counting down from 50 to 0 in decrements of 1. Then we'll go for counting up from 30 to 50 in increment of 1. Then we'll go from counting down from 50 to 10 in decrements of 2. Then again we'll go Up from 100 to 200 increments of 5, count the loop 200 0 2 0 1 5, counting up to the 100 to 200 increments of 5. Then we'll name the main and we'll run the code. Next is exercise 8, simple search. First we'll run the code. So here after running the code, it's asking would you like to add more names to the list, and like okay, I'll just add my name Munim. Enter the name you want to search for. Munim. It's showing an error, so I guess my name is not over here, that's why it's not showing. So first we'll go for yes, we want to enter a name. Then we can add a name if you want to add more names. I'll go for my own name again, and it's showing error again, I don't know why. We'll try it once more. Yes, then we'll go for the name shown over here. Enter.